What if your joint pain, fatigue, wrinkles, or brain fog aren't signs of aging, but signs of chronic inflammation your body can no longer control? Most people don't realize this. Aging speeds up the moment your body loses its ability to put out inflammation naturally. Let me explain. Your adrenal glands are designed to make natural cortisone, your built-in anti-inflammatory hormone. But here's the problem. After years of stress, poor diet, pharmaceuticals, and nutrient gaps, your adrenal glands get exhausted. When that happens, inflammation quietly stops being temporary and becomes chronic. And once chronic inflammation settles in, it begins breaking down. Your skin, wrinkles, thinning, sagging. Your joints, stiffness, pain, limited movement. Your arteries, high blood pressure, poor circulation. Your brain, memory loss, brain fog. Your energy, constant fatigue. Doctors typically treat the pain, stiffness, or fatigue, but almost no one asks, why can't your body shut off the inflammation anymore? So let me give you 3 tips. Tip number 1, stop the fire at the source. Your body can make its own anti-inflammatory hormones, but only if it's fed correctly. You need vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, the raw material for natural cortisol. Vitamin C, it protects the adrenal glands and boosts hormone output. Omega-3 essential fatty acids to reduce inflammation in the cell membranes. B-complex vitamins help deliver energy to the adrenals. Without these, your adrenals can't make the natural cortisol your body needs, so inflammation runs unchecked. Tip number 2, repair the damage, don't just numb it. Chronic inflammation destroys collagen, cartilage, nerves, and even skin structure. But your body does have a built-in repair molecule, a copper peptide that declines with age. It is most abundant at 20 years old and almost gone by 60. This molecule reduces inflammation, repairs tissue, stimulates nerve and skin healing, supports collagen and elasticity. When its levels are restored, the body begins to reverse damage, not just cope with it. Tip number 3, reactivate dormant repair systems. Stem cells don't leave your body, they simply go dormant with age. But here's the exciting part. That same copper peptide can wake them back up. It sends the message, repair, regenerate, restore. And yes, there are ways to naturally elevate this molecule without needles, pills, or medication. That's part of what I share with people when we go deeper. If you feel like you're aging faster than you should, if inflammation has become part of your daily life, if you've tried creams, pills, or diets but still feel stuck, it's not your fault. You were never taught how to switch your inflammation control system back on, or how to reactivate cellular repair. I offer a free 30-minute consultation where I help you understand what's driving your inflammation, identify the missing nutritional support, learn how to reactivate your body's repair signals step by step. Click the link below, book your session, and let's start turning inflammation-driven aging in reverse.